Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you foxtail orchid. It is popularly called as Rhynchostylis orchid. In this episode, let me tell you how to take care of foxtail orchid. It is popular for its long tail of flowers. The plant is distinctive not only for its beauty and unusual range of colors, but for its spicy aroma that is released in the evening when temperatures are warm. Now, how to grow Rhynchostylis foxtail orchid? Growing foxtail orchid isn't difficult. It is largely a matter of replicating the plant's natural environment. Foxtail orchids are epiphytic plants that grow on tree trunks in warm tropical climates. So we have to imitate the tropical climate. Foxtail orchid plants don't do well in direct sunlight, but they thrive in filtered or draped sunlight as in the tropical climates. However, they can tolerate brighter indoor light during the fall and winter. The plants do well in clay pots with side drainage or in wooden baskets filled with plenty of chunky bark or lava rocks that don't break away easily. Keep in mind that the plant does not like to be disturbed. So use media that will last for 4 to 5 years to prevent frequent repotting. Like we do once in a year repotting most of the plants. Preferably for foxtail orchids, you repot once in 3 to 4 years. Preferably don't repot the orchid until the plant begins to grow over the sides of the container. Now let me give you the foxtail orchid care. Humidity is the most critical point of foxtail orchid, and plants should be misted or watered daily, especially Rhynchostylis orchids when they are grown indoors when the humidity is low. However, be careful not to let the potting media remain soggy, overly wet for a long time. It will rot the rooting system, which can be fatal for the plant. Water the plant thoroughly with lukewarm water. Then allow the pot to drain for at least 15 minutes before returning the plant to its drainage saucer. Feed foxtail Rhynchostylis orchids every other watering, usually a balanced fertilizer with an NPK ratio of 20-20-20. During the winter, the plant benefits from a light feeding every 3 weeks, using the same fertilizer mixed to half strength, which means during winter you reduce the intensity of the fertilizer. In other seasons, you can give 20-20-20 NPK every other watering. Feed the plant weekly using a fertilizer mixed to 1/4 of the strength. Don't overfeed the fertilizer. Foxtail orchids rarely get any disease, so they are very easy to grow. Actually, they can be grown on nearby tree trunks, which is the best media for them. And always imitate the natural environment, that is the tropical climate. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Foxtail orchids are very beautiful looking and they give a very pretty aroma in the evening. Thank you.